My name is Mark Barry, Managing Director of ESM Digital Solutions, and we're here in the island of Jersey for our Digital Discovery Day. We do all the big trade shows on the mainland in the UK and in Ireland as well, of course. And we appreciate that it can be difficult to travel from an island to some of those shows, so we thought let's bring our own show to the island. It's an event that we put together to give clinicians on the island an opportunity to come to a location, learn about the technology that we provide, speak to the experts, and we've networked with the like-minded clinicians, both here on the island and of course with the keynote presenters that we brought with us as well, and obviously meet the suppliers that we work with, experts and product specialists within those companies, and of course have some hands-on time with the equipment.
When we're cleaning these, it's essential that these are cleaned out really well. So we can just go in and clean all those supports. So we'd go in and make sure they are free.
Team were already great at coming down and just showing us how to hand finish everything, but this is just giving us that extra little kind of finesse and touch to those restorations at the end, which I thought was really nice. It's convincing me as a practice owner that I need to get Leonora and the ESM team back down to my clinic and just do maybe a whole session with all my nurses actually.
Education is a big thing. People often ask us, where can we learn more? So that's one of the reasons why we put these types of events together, to provide a forum for where people can, as I say, network and learn more.
That's the final implant positions with all 6 implants in. Those are the original 3 that we put in on the first scan, and that's our output.
So that's my surgical guide. So I need to, for example, I've already got 2 implants in here. I need to get some implants in here, and I use this to push over where my osteotomies are.
We're all about open technologies, allowing you do what you want to do, but for us, providing you with the support and the training to allow you to do what you want to do and get the most out of your investment.
And the only way to have all of this in your hand very easily is with digital. You cannot do this with an analog workflow.
The event gives it a good opportunity to kind of have a deep dive without making that commitment and learn about how other users are using the technology that we provide, both particularly in terms of scanning and 3D printing.
It's bringing innovation to Jersey in the respect that I think they're often forgotten and left to the side, and the UK mainland's got so much going on. It's just been a really nice event. ESM I've worked with for a long time, and they're like family themselves, and I think they bring that ethos across the board.
Gives something for the local dentists in the area, something. There's not many courses here, so it's a great way to do it.
Guys that did one on Isle of Man as well. They're small bubble areas that are forgotten about, and it's really important to give them the representation as well and the chance to see the products that they might not necessarily be able to get over to the mainland and see.
I think events like this accelerate where dentistry is, and I think people don't realize what an opportunity it is, because to go on a course and do this, the investment would be huge, and ESM have brought it here and it is amazing.
It's very interesting having a whole bunch of different kind of technologies coming into one room, and all with their kind of unique ability to kind of add a little bit of value to your clinical practice, basically. Quite a nice little conference.
Education's key, to educate dentists of what is available out there. Such a small industry, and I think a lot of dentists are stuck in their ways, should I say, to let them into the fully digital world and protocol and enhance their patients' journeys is a game changer.
A lot of clinics are busy working. They can't necessarily take the time and the expense to make international trips just to visit shows. So I think it's fantastic that ESM have gone to the trouble of organising all of this. We're really looking forward to meeting some new potential Channel Island customers, widening our customer base and supporting areas that may not have had much support in the past.
I don't think they get many opportunities in Jersey for all products to all be in the same room at the same time. You get a bit more on the mainland at the big shows, but I think it's a really good event to bring us all together in one room.
The conference was great. This is the first time I've been to Jersey, first time I've been with ESM actually, so everyone on the team is really friendly. I've really enjoyed networking with everyone. Grateful I've attended, and lots of value.
And I've been turned on completely by what's happening in digital. Blown my mind, because now the future is digital, definitely, and if you're not there, you're out of it completely.
I make sure they're free of any excess resin, because once it's cured, there's no going back, it's a reprint.
Huge thank you to the team at ESM, both the group that travelled with me to support and organise the event and support the event, and definitely to the rest of the team that were back in the office and keeping the wheels turning, keeping the show rolling. The keynote speakers, Ali Barani and Chris Leeson, huge thanks to them for coming along, and a special thanks as well to all of our suppliers who made the journey, made the contribution and helped us make this event the success that it was. And final thanks to everybody that did attend.